The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for Rowan County, Meigs County, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated tornadic thunder across the warned area. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now inside a storm shelter. Locations impacted include Decatur, Knoxville, Wetspardam, Harriman, Rockwood, 10 Mile and Rowan State Community College. A tornado watch remains in effect until 12:52 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Bradley, McMinn, Rhea and Hamilton counties in East Tennessee.